Hello learners, I welcome you all to the MCQ session of BCP, that is Biochemistry and Clinical Pathology, from the chapter Pathology of Blood and Urine. We are on part 4 now. To cover the MCQs from the same chapter, I would request you to go through first 3 parts of the same chapter, wherein we have covered various types of anemias, okay, and then we have covered it is about the blood composition, okay, so functions, etc. Now we are supposed to start with some urine characteristics. Blood part we have almost finished now. So, to start with question 1 from part 4, excretion from the kidney which is stored in the bladder and excreted through urethra is dash. The excretion which is from the kidney which is stored in the bladder and it is excreted through urethra is called as whether it is urine, blood, glucose or none of them. All of you can put your answer in the comment box and you can verify your answer later on. Now excretion from the kidney से ऐसा कौन सा excretion है जो कि पहले यूरिनरी ब्लैडर में स्टोर किया जाता है एंड देन यूरेथ्रा से एक्सक्रीट किया जाता है. So we will start with the explanation for this question. So here you can see this is the urinary system wherein the kidneys, the urine is formed and it is passed to bladder through the pair of ureters, and in bladder it is stored and then from the urethra it is released. So the released composition is nothing but it is urine, which you can see here. Okay, so this urine is called the excretion from the kidney which is stored in bladder and excreted through the urethra. Next question is waste products from the urine include dash. Whether the waste products from the urine include urea, ammonia, uric acid or all of them. You can put your answer in the comment section and you can verify it later on. So come on, put your answer fast in the comment box. Waste products from urine include chemical composition of urine tells us about that it is 95% of the water, then 5% it constitutes the solutes wherein it contains inorganic constituents as well as organic constituents. So here you can see the solids and water, the organic constituents and the inorganic constituents. Inorganic constituents includes various salts such as sodium, potassium, chloride, sulfates, etc. An organic constituent here, these are the normal organic constituents which are there in the urine usually, and these are the abnormal organic constituents wherein you can find sugar which is excreted in the urine, protein which is excreted in the urine, bile pigment, ketone bodies, amino acids, whatever are they excreted in the urine which are useful to our body. So these are abnormal constituents, that means they should not get released into the urine, whereas the normal waste products include urea, uric acid, creatinine, okay, etc. Now here the excretion of excess nitrogen, the fishes excrete nitrogen in the form of ammonia, terrestrial animals excrete nitrogen in the form of urea, birds excrete nitrogen in the form of uric acid and so on. So the waste products from the urine includes all of these constituents. Next question is the urine which does not contain any substance which is required by the body is called dash. मतलब ऐसा यूरिन जो कि कोई भी बॉडी के लिए अच्छा सब्सटेंस या फिर रिक्वायर्ड सब्सटेंस कंटेन नहीं करता, ऐसे यूरिन को क्या बोला जाता है? वेदर इट इज़ कॉल्ड नॉर्मल यूरिन, वेदर फिजियोलॉजिकल यूरिन, बोथ ऑफ देम और नन ऑफ देम. You can put your answer in the comment section and you can verify it after the explanation. Now this normal color of the urine, if you will see, it ranges from pale yellow to deep amber. You can see here normal, this is yellow, this is amber. So this is nothing but the normal colors of the urine. Now the physiological urine, which is the normal urine, is proper urine which contains all the constituents, normal organic constituents. And pathological urine, if you will say, the substance in case of pathological urine, or like you can call abnormal constituents, exist in this kind of urine. So the correct answer is, it is both of them. Normal urine also it is called as, or physiological urine, which do not contain any of the required substance by the body. That means which should not be liberated, which we have seen in the composition, that it is normal organic constituent and abnormal organic constituent. Next question is, the urine which contains necessary substances which are required by the body is called. अभी पहले जो था, जो necessary substances required by the body contain नहीं करता, ऐसे यूरिन को नॉर्मल यूरिन या फिर फिजियोलॉजिकल यूरिन बोला जाता है. बट ऐसा यूरिन जिसमें बॉडी के लिए रिक्वायर्ड सब्सटेंसेस जो होते हैं वो कंटेन करता है, ऐसे यूरिन को क्या बोला जाता है? Whether it is normal, physiological, abnormal, or none of them. The correct answer is, it is abnormal urine, wherein you can see this one, that when the appearance is reddish, it is nothing but hematuria. When the appearance is yellow, brown or green brown, it is due to bilirubin. When greenish, it is due to infection, and various other abnormal colors are there. So the correct answer is, it is abnormal urine. That means when the abnormal constituents occur in the urine, it is abnormal urine. When the normal constituents occur in the urine, it is normal urine or physiological urine. Next question is, the substances required by the body but excreted in the urine are, ऐसे substance जो body के लिए चाहिए but वो urine में excrete होते हैं, वो इसमें से कौन से है? शुगर होता है, प्रोटीन्स होते हैं, ब्लड होता है, या सब होते हैं, ऑल ऑफ देम? All of you can put your answer in the comment section and you can verify it later on. Now we will see the explanation. Now there are different colors of urine depending on the presence of a particular substance. Like if the urine is red in color, it means that there is a blood which is present in the urine which is getting excreted. Next, if you will see, if it is white in color, then there are chances that there are some infection or the presence of protein. Okay, then if you will see that the color is like black, then the iron can also be getting excreted. Okay, then if it is red or brown, then blood ka appearance there are chances. Okay, hematuria. So now again if you will see here, these are again various infectious conditions. Okay, so these are different colors of the urine due to excretion of some abnormal constituents in the urine. So the correct answer is, it is all of them. When sugar, that is glucose and all, it is hematuria. Sorry, it is glycosuria. When blood is there in the urine, it is hematuria. When proteins are there in the urine, it is proteinuria. So these are various substances which are excreted in the urine. Next question is, composition of urine is dash. Whether the composition includes water, inorganic substances, organic substances, or all of them. You can put your answer in the comment section. We will go for the explanation. Now, according to the composition of urine, it contains the upper portion which contains the components or compounds like uric acid, creatinine, various ions and all. Then the second layer you can see it is urea, and the maximum most layer which is blue in color, it is 95% of the water. So the constituents are inorganic constituents also as well as organic constituents also along with the water. So inorganic constituent include various ions such as bicarbonates, potassiums, calcium, etc. And the organic constituent includes the components like urea, uric acid, creatinine, etc. So the correct answer is it is all of them. Urine contains water, then various solutes like inorganic and organic substances. Next question is inorganic substances of urine include dash. Now whether it is sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, lead, iodine or all of them, you can put your answer into the comment section. Till that we will go for the explanation and then you can verify your answer. Now inorganic substances, you have seen that these are various ions such as chloride, sulfates, calcium. Okay, so this is nothing but sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, iodine and all. So the correct answer is it is all of them. Inorganic substances include all the ions like sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, lead, iodine, etc. Next question is organic substances from urine include dash. Whether it is urea, creatinine, urea, uric acid, amino acid, nitrogen or all of them. जो भी सब्सटेंसेस का कंपोजिशन हम लोगों ने देखा उसमें से ऑर्गेनिक सब्सटेंसेस इसमें से कौन से है. You can put your answer into the comment box and then we will go for the explanation and you can verify it. So the explanation is here you can see the organic constituents, that is urea, uric acid, creatinine, organic sulfates, okay, urobilinogens, etc. So correct answer is it is all of them. Organic substances includes all these substances: urea, uric acid, creatinine, amino acids, nitrogens, etc. Next question is in the case of urine, urea is obtained from dash. Whether the urea is obtained from protein metabolism, muscle metabolism, amino acid metabolism or purine metabolism. Which one is the correct answer? You can put your answer in the comment box. Urea is obtained from which metabolism? Now urea structure, if you will see, it is NH2, C double bond O, NH2. So it is obtained from, if you will see the correct answer, if it is obtained from, see, urea, it is breakdown of amino acid. So it is like amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. So the correct answer is it is protein metabolism. Next question is, in case of urine, uric acid is obtained from dash. Whether the uric acid is obtained from protein metabolism, muscle metabolism, amino acid metabolism or purine metabolism. Which one is the correct answer? You can put your answer into the comment box. We will go for the explanation. Now this uric acid in the urine is obtained with the help of breakdown of purine. Okay. So the correct answer is it is purine metabolism. Uric acid in the urine is obtained from purine metabolism. Purine and pyrimidine pairs are there, right? So it is purine metabolism. I will give you the uric acid. With this, we finish with few of the MCQs from part 4 from the chapter Pathology of Blood and Urine. Thank you and stay tuned with us for the further upcoming parts.